It doesn't mean that when you are practicing Vairagya, you don't love your husband and wife and you love better. Because you understand your relationship better. You can understand better, you can love better. When you have knowledge and you understand something better, you can. If I see that this is weak, at least I will not lean heavily on it. If I see this is strong, I can live with full confidence. But if I do not know whether it is strong or weak, I might lean heavily and fall down and break this also. That's what happens to your relationship. If you practice Vairagya, the philosophy of non-attachment, you live happily. You live very comfortably. Therefore, philosophy of Vairagya means love. That which you call love creates misunderstanding, creates ego problem, creates lust, creates attachment, brings misery. Love gives you freedom, love makes you selfless, love makes you aware of the reality, love makes you aware of the truth. Therefore, follow the philosophy of Vairagya by practicing it. It's important for you to follow. And then there is another word with it, Abhyasa. You don't overnight attain something. No, you will stumble many times. Like a child stumbles when he starts learning how to walk. Abhyasa. Abhyasa. These are two wings of that bird who is trying to cross the mire of delusion and go to the eternity, and she's called soul. No yogic exercise, no yoga is possible if you have not learned this attachment, non-attachment and Vairagya. It is not necessary for you to renounce. Now I'll tell you. Let me give you a little bit comparison of both. I renounced my home. Whether I renounced or not, you don't know. But I still remember my home. The home is still there and I am here. What did I do? I simply created the space. It's sannyasa. What is Vairagya? You live in a home wherever you are, yet you remain above. Therefore, Vairagya is definitely higher than sannyasa. Mere renunciation, I renounced it because I want to be a Swami. But I still remember it. So it's always in my mind. It's good to have sannyasa, but without Vairagya it's of no use. It's no use for you to renounce, but if you have Vairagya, you have done it. Learning to understand the philosophy of non-attachment is great. Now, you learn it, you do practice every day, but at the same time, now you are learning Dhyana. What Dhyana does to you, how Dhyana is related to this? Dhyana is intense awareness, one-pointed awareness. If you pour water, somewhere there is a space, but if you pour oil, what will happen? You will find one undisrupted flow. Concentration, you are concentrating on something, so mind flies here, there, and comes back, flies here and there. In meditation, it flows without any interruption. It's not impossible. You want quick results. Americans are wonderful and creative, but in Dhyana they are very weak. Do you know why? They will sow the seed today and they will not sleep whole night with the excitement, but in the morning it will be growing and giving the fruits. So next day mornings, two children say, hey, what happened? We sowed the seed yesterday. Let us dig and find out. The seed was still there. Others said, hey, again cover it. Again they went astray. They never allowed it to grow in excitement. No excitement and no emotion should be involved in meditation. It's a process which needs patience and calmness. Training your attention, then concentration, and then meditation, dhyana. This whole Prithvi, material world, is doing meditation. We do many things. We dig, we pour, we run. It's doing meditation. You see. When you learn to be calm, gentle to yourself, still your body, serene your breath, calm your mind, that which is hidden behind will come forward. You see. So, meditation, prayer and contemplation will lead you to do meditation in action, and you will become the finest of all in the world, walking on the earth as a free person. That's what you need. You don't need moksha, liberation, or God after death. You need Him now and here in this world. And that can be practiced. That's what the Yoga Sutra says. So, I'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. If you have a question, ask Panditji.